Hello everyone, back on YouTube now. Bought this new mic that I'm testing out, so if it peaks or whatever, apologies there, but seems like I got dialed in just fine. Looking at the levels here. So, just want to do an update video on the little file browser application that I made. I did make a few changes to it, uh, organization stuff, and also little bit of a creature comfort I wanted to highlight today. So this is a implementation I use it for. So essentially, the reason why I programmed this thing in the first place is I didn't like the way that Nginx Auto Archive was working on like my phone and stuff, uh, because the links were too small to hit when it's displayed on my phone. Not sure why they make all the links so small and stuff like that. But anyway, decided to make my own version that I could customize the styling of. But these buttons are a lot easier to hit when you're browsing it on your phone versus using something like Nginx Auto Archive. So one of the things I added is now when you click on a file and it does a file response. So I'm using this with MP3 files, and as you can tell, most modern web browsers will play an MP3 file if you feed it. The issue is once you close out that tab, some web browsers, especially on computers, don't keep track of the last one that you clicked, even with a hover effect. So you'll notice now it highlights in red, so this one will now be red. So I'll now know which one was the last one that I clicked. So now I know, okay, the rest of the call is going to be on this next file. I can click that, and as you can tell, if I go back to this tab, whichever one I clicked last will be highlighted in red, so I know, hey, this is the last one, so if I need to reference from that before or after, I can do that. So just wanted to highlight that feature and the reason why I made that change. I think I did push it to where previous version is still available. If somebody's like, "Hey, I don't want this feature," or it's not performant enough for me, it should be able to revert back to the old version by changing your tag in your Docker Compose file. So that's I guess that's it for this video. So shortest video on this channel, and just wanted to give the mic a test too. So there we go. So I guess I'll see you in the next one.